Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to lock WhatsApp in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to lock your WhatsApp app in your iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply look for your WhatsApp app on home screen. Now just keep a long press on your WhatsApp app and then select require Face ID. If you haven't set it up your Face ID, so you will get here the option of require passcode, or if your iPhone has required Touch ID, so you might get the option of require Touch ID. Just select that option over here, and then you have two different ways. You can only lock your WhatsApp app, or you can hide and lock your WhatsApp app. Let's say I'm going to select only lock my WhatsApp app, and I haven't required Face ID or require passcode option, which you have, and your WhatsApp app will be locked. Now whenever you will try to open your WhatsApp app, it will require your Face ID, your iPhone passcode, or your Touch ID. So just verify yourself and your WhatsApp app will be opened. So in this way, you can easily log your WhatsApp in iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.